Mr. Bhupen Bora, the former Assam Congress chief, now joining us. He's decided to resign from the Congress party in Assam. Mr. Bora, bahut shukriya. Many thanks for speaking to Times Now. First and foremost, Mr. Bora, I need to ask you, why did you decide to quit the Congress party? And you're expected to have an interaction with the Assam Chief Minister, Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, later in the day. Will you be joining the BJP, sir?
At present, I am not a member of any political party. Yesterday, I submitted my resignation to the Congress High Command. And I resigned mainly because now Congress party is running in a way where any person who have minimum self-respect, he cannot be in the Congress party in Assam. Because now this party, our present PCC President Gaurav Gogoi ji is the only face. He is not base of the party. Base of the party is Dhuburi MP Rakibul Hussain, who is not acceptable to the people of Assam. Maybe, of course, he owned by 10 lakhs vote from Dhuburi. That is only because of me. Because as a PCC president, I break the alliance with AIUDF. And because of I break the alliance with AIUDF, we own Dhuburi with a very huge margin. But now, as AIUDF is not in existence, now Rakibul Hussain is trying to make Congress.
Mr. Bora, you know, we will get into details in just a bit. I want to ask you a very simple question, sir, and I want you to be honest about it. I'm sure you have your phone with you. In the last 24 hours, who's the person that you've spoken to the most?
Last 24 hours, I have not spoken to so many people because I was only busy with the public and media. So,
no, you must have spoken to. I'll tell you why I'm asking, sir, because the Congress does not want to let you go, and the BJP is more than eager to welcome you. Which is why I asked you, who's the person that you've been speaking to the most? Is it someone from the BJP? Is it Himanta Biswa Sarma, your old colleague, now the Assam Chief Minister, or Mr. Gogoi?
First time, yes. Yesterday, all the Congress rank and file from AICC to state level, everybody came to meet me, and I met everybody. But in the evening, yesterday evening, one of the senior journalists from Assam, who met me on behalf of BJP, or you may take it as Chief Minister's representatives. First time. And he informed me that Chief Minister of Assam want to visit my residence. And I replied him that yes, I am now not a member of any political party, and all the political party leaders, already they visited.
Okay, so is that meeting on, Mr.
Visit.
Bora, is Himanta Biswa Sarma coming to your residence at 7 this evening? Or any time this evening?
Yeah, he office contacted me that he is coming around 6, 7.
Okay. So are you prepared to finally say yes when he tells you to join the BJP?
Actually, yesterday I spoke to Congress leadership and I authorized one MP from Nagaon, Shri Pradut Bordoloi, and one leader of the opposition, Shri Debobrat Soikia, that in my resignation letter, I raised some complaint. And if AICC will able to convince two other leaders, one MP Bordoloi and CLP leader, and if both leaders will inform me that they are convinced that this is now Assam Pradesh Congress Committee, I claim in my letter that this is not APCC. This is APCCR. This party is running by now Rakibul Hussain. Now, senior minority leader from UP, he is now observer for Upper Assam.
Right.
100% Hindu-dominated area. Now, AICC observer is from Uttar Pradesh, a minority leader. So this was not the Congress whose party I have joined 38 years back. So party now Majuli, you know, Majuli is Sattva Nagari of Assam. During Tarun Gogoi's chief ministership, 15
Right.
years, Rakibul Hussain was minister for 15 years. He never visited Majuli. Now he is the star campaigner for Majuli.
No.
This is not
I
acceptable
have
for
a few
society,
questions
those
on
who are
Mr.
living in that
Rakibul
area.
Islam, Mr. Bora, but let me ask you, you said you've spoken to the rank and file, the Congress leadership. When you say Congress leadership, are you referring to the high command, the Congress high command, which is Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi ji, Mr. Khadge? Did you speak to Rahul Gandhi?
Definitely, everybody is. I already submitted my resignation letter to our Honorable President Kharge ji, Honorable Leader of the Opposition Rahul Gandhi ji, and our Honorable General Secretary Organization K.C. Venugopal ji. All they spoken to me, but they have not discussed about my matter I raised in my resignation letter.
No, that I understand, Mr. Bora, which is why I'm asking you a specific question. Have you spoken to Rahul Gandhi ji?
Yes.
How
I
long
spoke
was
to
that conversation? 10 minutes, 15 minutes?
him. In between.
In between. So this was a 10 to 15 minute conversation. And what did Rahul Gandhi tell you?
Yes, maybe. Now, that at present I don't want to disclose because Jitendra Singh ji is looking after all the situation and I'm still waiting that whether they will reply my what I raised in my resignation letter, whether they are only asking me to withdraw my resignation.
No, Mr.
But
Bora, the reason I'm
my
asking you this is
problem.
because now that you've spoken to Rahul Gandhi, the top leader of the Congress party, face of the Congress party, and if you're still not sure, then, one can easily make out, deduce that maybe Rahul Gandhi's assurance to you was not convincing.
No, assurance is different because I was PCC president because of Rahul Gandhi ji. No doubt about this. I was in party for 32 years. I served to the party, served to the Gandhi family also. Everybody knows it. But today what I raised, that this Congress party is running on the way, running in this way, which is not acceptable to the people of Assam. People want to see Congress party which was led by Tarun Gogoi ji.
Mr. Bora, you are saying that Congress in Assam has today become unacceptable to the people. This is exactly what Himanta Biswa Sarma has been saying. This is the BJP's campaign pitch ahead of election. They say this is not the Congress that people have known.
Whatever example BJP is giving against Congress, this is not manufactured by BJP. Now Congress is giving some material to BJP to attack Congress.
That's a very big point, sir. You are saying what the BJP is raising, what Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma is saying about the Congress party in Assam or Congress is in general is actually genuine. It is all real. That the Congress must take the blame for that. That's a big statement.
I can give you 3 examples. Few days back, one party senior spokesperson in the live television show declared that when Congress will come to power, Congress will demand 45 Muslim seat reservation. 45 seat reservation for Muslim. And party is silent. Few days back, another spokesperson declared in the television talk show that Nepalis are foreigner. Party is silent. Few days back, one of the senior leader of the party spoke in the publicly that we will convert Shivsagar into Dhuburi. Party was silent.
So of the 3 things that you told me, it is clear that you are upset with the way Congress is trying to appease a particular community. You believe this is Muslim appeasement by the Congress party, and that is the main reason why you put down your papers. Is that right, sir?
Definitely.
Okay. Now that you've said yes to that question, no, Mr. Bora, just a few more questions, sir. Himanta Biswa Sarma, after you resigned, said that you are the last Hindu leader in the Congress party. How do you see that comment?
Yes. See, I am a secular person and I will remain as a secular person. And why he said that, you can ask him. But people of Assam also know that Bhupen Bora is a secular leader. And I born as a secular and I will die as a secular.
Right. Now that you are saying you are secular, when the Chief Minister comes to your house this evening, do you think he is also secular? Because many in the Congress party think that Himanta Biswa Sarma is not secular. He is communal, etc., etc. Do you think Himanta Biswa Sarma is a secular politician?
No, he is against one community because of few reasons. He is not against Islam. He never said anything against Islam. He is speaking against one community because of some reason. And that reason he raised in the assembly also, and it was passed. So that is a matter of debate definitely. But he never spoke against any religion.
But sir, what you are saying, Mr. Bora, is not the Congress line. You know, you are once again defying the Congress line. You are giving a clean sheet to Himanta Biswa Sarma, endorsing his brand of politics. You know, many people will say that you've made up your mind to join the BJP.
Now, I have resigned from Congress, and till at present I have not decided. But definitely Chief Minister is coming to my residence, and whatever decision I will take, it will not be secret decision. But you are asking me that he is secular or not. Secular means what? We should have equal respect to the all religion. So can you give me one bite of the Chief Minister that he spoke against Islam?
No, sir. The reason I asked you, because
Okay, thank you.
the way the Congress has defined the word secular, and you said I'm a secular politician, which is why I asked you that question. My final question to you, Mr. Bora, and the little Assamese that I know, Aji BJP joined Koriba Niki.
তেনেকুৱা কোনো সম্ভাৱনা আজি নাই।
Kali Koriba?
হ'ব, ধন্যবাদ।
Okay. That was Mr. Bora dropping enough hints, viewers. You could make out from the answers. He said there is no problem with the brand of politics that Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, deploys or does in Assam. In fact, he had a few things to say to the Congress High Command. So that message is clear. Hina is now joining us. Hina, over to you.
Thank you very much, Pranesh, for that.